Welcome to the Alabama Outdoor Classroom Program. The Alabama Wildlife Federation created this program to provide technical advice and support for schools that want to create a sustainable schoolyard wildlife habitat that can be used as an effective outdoor classroom for hands-on, inquiry-based activities. Outdoor classrooms developed through the Alabama Outdoor Classroom Program provide opportunities for students to go outside and enjoy learning in a fun and engaging environment. An outdoor classroom also provides a living laboratory that educators can use to teach the Alabama Department of Education standards for science, math, and language arts. Unfortunately, most school grounds lack biological diversity, so the Alabama Wildlife Federation's outdoor classroom consultants work with the school's faculties to develop outdoor learning stations to increase biodiversity and outdoor educational opportunities. Outdoor learning stations have two main purposes.
First, they provide habitat for local backyard wildlife, which includes food sources, water, shelter, and places where wildlife can raise their young.
Outdoor learning stations can also be developed around specific educational concepts. For instance, a weather station can help students learn how to read a thermometer and a rain gauge,
while also seeing firsthand how an anemometer measures wind speed.
They can then collect weather data and analyze it using graphs and other math skills. Another example learning station is a cardinal direction sign, which can help students track the directional path of the sun or study the path of clouds associated with different weather patterns. You can tie in geography by including the distance to significant landmarks on the sign to help students learn where these landmarks are located, such as our nation's capital in Washington, D.C., and our state's capital in Montgomery. A sensory garden is another interactive learning station that helps students learn how to use all of their senses as they explore and observe nature. You can include plants with different textures like lamb's ear, different colors or shapes like clover, strong scents like rosemary, and edibles such as chocolate mint. Students can explore different sounds if you incorporate wind chimes or a music station. A log decomposition station is a simple learning station that replicates a natural ecosystem you'd normally find in a forest. All you need are a few decomposing logs and leaves to provide students with the opportunity to look for decomposers and other invertebrates. Another outdoor learning station that replicates a natural ecosystem is an artificial wetland like a bog garden. You can also build a frog habitat that includes a bog with soft, damp soil in which toads can burrow and a pond to encourage frogs to lay their eggs in the outdoor classroom. If you want students to be able to see the full life cycle of butterflies, the AWF can help you design a butterfly garden for specific butterfly species and their caterpillars. For instance, the monarch butterfly will only lay her eggs on milkweed, and the Gulf fritillary butterfly will only lay her eggs on the passion flower vine. Pollinator gardens are another type of learning station with nectar-rich flowers that allow students to observe and study pollination as they collect real pollen samples from a variety of different flowers. A learning station that all outdoor classrooms should have is a songbird habitat. Create bird feeder stations and plant native plants to attract birds to the school's habitat. Then, the students can record their observations about the birds' amazing adaptations while also tracking songbird migration through the journey north. Gardens can also provide wonderful learning opportunities as students plant, grow, harvest, and eat their very own vegetables. They can also raise peanuts or sweet potatoes while they study the scientific discoveries of George Washington Carver. All of these example learning stations, along with many others, can be used together to create an interactive outdoor classroom where teachers can provide fun, cross-curricular activities. Studies show that when students participate in hands-on outdoor activities, they engage in their natural curiosity in the outdoors. They gain a greater understanding of the complex material and concepts. They retain the information longer, and they perform better when tested on the material. In addition, as students explore their outdoor classroom, they gain a greater appreciation for Alabama's rich biodiversity and natural heritage, and develop an enduring connection with nature, wildlife, and the outdoors.